Jenny was walking home from school when she suddenly felt dizzy and fainted. She woke up in the hospital surrounded by her worried parents. The doctor explained that Jenny had passed out from anemia, a condition where the blood lacks enough healthy red blood cells. Jenny was shocked as she thought only elderly people could suffer from anemia. The doctor prescribed iron supplements and advised her to eat more iron-rich foods. To raise awareness about anemia among people of all ages, February 13th is observed as World Anemia Awareness Day. Anemia is the most common blood disorder, impacting over 2 billion people globally. It can affect anyone regardless of age, gender, or race. The most prevalent forms of anemia are due to iron, folate, or vitamin B12 deficiency. Maternal anemia also impacts nearly 50% of pregnant women, putting mothers and babies at risk. World Anemia Awareness Day seeks to educate people about the causes, symptoms, and prevention of anemia. Early diagnosis and treatment of anemia is critical to avoid complications like impaired cognitive abilities in children, fatigue, and risk of infection in adults. Nutrition plays an important role as well. Consuming a balanced diet high in iron, folate, and B12 can help maintain healthy red blood cell counts for people of all ages and backgrounds. Various events and campaigns are organized on this day to spread awareness of anemia. Public health organizations launch social media campaigns providing information about anemia prevention and the importance of blood health. Some develop toolkits with resources for community health workers and teachers. Nutrition workshops are hosted demonstrating how to prepare iron-rich meals on a budget. Youth groups perform skits and songs highlighting the effects of anemia. Doctors and health institutions offer discounted for free blood screenings, helping detect and diagnose cases of anemia. While anemia persists as a public health concern, World Anemia Awareness Day is making a positive difference through education and advocacy. By empowering people with knowledge and resources to improve their blood health, collective action can overcome this widespread condition. Jenny, now an advocate for anemia awareness, is grateful for the wake-up call that day in the hospital and passionate about spreading the message of prevention. February 13th is World Anemia Awareness Day. Here is our painting with all your pastels for this special day, and have a special World Anemia Awareness Day. Cheers!